In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your logo into a stunning drone show using Gemini AI Nano Banana. First, open your Gemini account. If you're brand new, head to the official Gemini site and sign in or create an account so you can save your work and access the creative tools. Before you go any further, make sure you have your logo file handy. A high-resolution PNG with a transparent background or a clean SVG usually gives the best results. If your logo has a busy background, consider using a version with clear edges and good contrast so the system can interpret shapes accurately. Once you're in, look for the plus icon. This is where you upload your logo. Click the plus, navigate to your logo file on your computer and confirm the upload. Give it a moment to finish. If the file is large, it might take a little longer, so don't interrupt the process. A quick tip here. Avoid extremely small images. Upscaling a low-quality logo can introduce blur or jagged edges that might show up in the generated visuals. Next, it's time to enter your prompt. In the prompt field, paste this exact text. Create a realistic drone show featuring my logo flying over the Eiffel Tower at night. Include sparkling lights, dynamic drone formations, and a vibrant sky. This prompt sets the scene, the style, and the mood. Feel free to keep your logo's name implicit since you've already uploaded the file. The mention of the Eiffel Tower at night helps guide the lighting and color palette, while sparkling lights and dynamic drone formations signal motion, choreography, and spectacle. A vibrant sky suggests rich colors and contrast rather than a flat background. After you've entered the prompt, pause and wait patiently while Gemini processes your request. Depending on server load and the complexity of your prompt, generation time can vary. You may see a progress indicator. If not, trust that it's working in the background. Avoid resubmitting the same prompt repeatedly, as that can slow things down. If you do get an error, simply retry once the system is ready. When the generation completes, you'll see the results based on your uploaded logo and the prompt you provided. The clarity of your logo and the specificity of your prompt are key to achieving a polished, realistic drone show look. If you want stronger contrast or more dramatic formations next time, refine descriptive words like sparkling, dynamic, or vibrant to match your brand's energy. And that's it. You've transformed your logo into a stunning, AI-powered drone show concept using Gemini AI Nano Banana.